keep recording. I don't know if anybody's watching it because I never know if everybody's here or not. But that's okay. All right, what we're doing today is we're writing a polynomial if you're given the zeros. So if I give you, I want to tell you you're going to write a polynomial of degree 3. Do you know what that means? When I say degree 3, that means when you're finished, your biggest exponent should be 3. You should have an x cubed in the answer. That's all that means. It's kind of a check for you. So, if I tell you that the zeros are 3, radical 2, and negative radical 2. These are the zeros. And this is not an easy one. I did not pick an easy one to start with. So don't think if that's the easiest, it's going to be really hard. I picked a medium hard one to start with. If these are my zeros, doesn't this mean x equals 3, x equals radical 2, and x equals negative radical 2? Is that true?
Yeah.
Should we have done this before, like in other classes?
Maybe.
Because I feel like
Maybe. Maybe. Isn't this is the zeros. Isn't this factor x minus 3? And this one is x minus radical 2. And this one is x plus radical 2. Everybody agree with that?
yes.
Now, to get my answer, I have to FOIL these. However, do you see that 2 of them are conjugates?
Yeah. So you
It is
square
much easier to FOIL the conjugates first.
Don't you square the first minus square the second?
You do. So I have x minus 3, square the first is x squared. Minus, what do I get when I square the second? 2?
Yeah.
Now, look what I have to FOIL. That's much easier, isn't it? So this is x cubed minus 3x squared minus 2x plus 6. It is a polynomial, which means I should write f of x equals in front of it.
Do you need to? Okay.
Mine came out the right order. If they didn't, yes, you do. Yes, you are correct. Does that make sense to you?
Yep.
What if I had 3 and none of them were conjugates? Do you want to do one of those?
No. Yeah.
Don't you just FOIL pick? I mean, just FOIL and then just FOIL the second one.
Minus 1.
Okay.
Here. There's my zeros. It's a polynomial of degree 3. So what are my factors?
X plus 3. X minus 5.
Doesn't matter which 2 I pick first. Doesn't make any difference. Okay? Do you care? I'm going to pick the last 2. All right? No particular reason. X plus 3. What is this? X squared.
Oh, x squared minus 2x minus 16.
What?
Is it not x squared minus 2x minus 15? You did the last two. Oh, yeah, I'm sorry. I did the first two. I finished the exact same book. I did the first. It's x squared minus...
Oh.
Minus 9x plus 20?
Yeah.
Is that right?
Yeah.
So then I take my first term, I take the x times each one of those, and the 3 times each one of those.
Yeah.
So that gives me x cubed minus 9x squared plus 20x plus 3x squared minus 27x plus 60, right? So what does f of x equal to?
X cubed minus 6x squared minus 7x plus 60.
And I put f of x in front of it? We okay with that? Can I do a hard one now?
Yes.
This one's a 10.
What? Okay.
Okay.
I'm ready. Like degree 10 or something.
No, it's like 1 to 10 hard.
Yeah, I know. I just like. Oh. I thought you meant degree 10.
I
thought you meant degree 10. I like genuinely thought you meant degree 10. Like, let's go. But
It might be for some of you.
like difficulty level, but.
Okay, my answer is going to be a degree 2 polynomial.
This is not.
Okay.
Yeah, I knew it. Called it. I believe. Wait, how is it going to be the degree of 2? Because I squared is equal to a number.
Oh,
There's no x.
there is an x, because those are my zeros,
Right.
which means, don't I have, isn't this
Oh.
x minus 2 plus 3i?
Yeah.
What's the other one?
X minus 2 minus 3i.
All right. Since it's a trinomial, I'm going to multiply the x by the second one, the negative 2 by the second group, and the 3i by the second group. All right?
Yeah.
So the x times each one of those is x squared minus 2x minus 3ix.
Then you multiply the negative 2.
The negative 2 is negative 2x plus 4 plus 6i. Right? And then the 3i is plus 3ix minus 6i minus 9i squared. Is everybody with me? Okay, so I have an x squared, don't I?
Yep.
How many x's? Here's a negative 2. Do these two cancel out?
And your 6i's cancel out.
So I have minus 4x. And that's it?
Plus 4. No, plus 13.
Plus 13. And this is f of x equals? When you have a problem that your zeros are i's, if when you're finished they didn't subtract out, you made a mistake with a positive or negative sign. Does this make sense? See, it's not awful, is it?